Hi students, welcome back to Chaitanya Mathematics Academy classes, and today class is intermediate first year mathematics A paper trigonometric long answer questions. Okay, so already 3 questions completed and this one is 4th question. Okay, so the given is if capital A, capital B, capital C are angles in a triangle, then prove that sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C equals to, we have to show that answer is 4 sin A into sin B into sin C, right? So first of all, given that A, B, C are angles in a triangle, okay? So the given is angles in a triangle means that is A plus B plus C equals to sum of interior angles equals to 180 degree. Okay, sum of interior angles equals to 180 degree means A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. Okay, from this we can write A plus B equals to 180 degree plus C become minus C, means in this problem we can substitute A plus B value is 180 minus C degree and C equals to capital C equals to C value. So C value means plus A become minus A to the right side, plus B become minus B to the right side, means 180 minus A minus B. Let minus is the common, means minus of A plus B. Okay, so 180 degree minus of A plus B. So this one is capital C value, means we have to substitute A plus B value is 180 minus C degree and C, capital C is, we have to substitute 180 degree minus of A plus B. Okay, so plus A become minus A plus B become minus B, means 180 minus A minus B. Let minus is common, means minus of A plus B. So capital A plus B value and capital C value, right? So and given the question is sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. Okay, we have to show that answer is 4 into sin A into sin B into sin C. Okay, right. So sin C plus sin D, we have already formula in previous 3 problems, same formula, sin C plus sin D formula. Sin C plus sin D means 2 sin C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2. Okay, sin C plus sin D formula is 2 sin C, means what is C value? 2A, and D, what is D value? 2B. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, 2A minus 2B by 2, and the third step as it is sin 2C. Clear? Okay, sin C plus sin D formation. What is C value? 2A, and what is D value? 2B, means 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. What is the formula? The formula is sin C plus sin D formula. It is in the form of sin C plus sin D formula, means capital C value is 2A and capital D value is 2B. What is the formula? 2 sin C plus D by 2, C plus capital C plus D by 2 and cos capital C minus capital D by 2. Clear? This is D by 2. This is the formula. Okay, right. So next 2 sin of, let 2 is the common from the numerator, 2 of A plus B. So 2 is the common, means remaining A plus B, and denominator 2 is as it is. Okay, next also from the numerator cos of, from numerator again 2 is the common, means remaining A minus B by 2. Okay, next plus sin 2C again as it is. Okay, right. From this numerator to denominator to get cancelled. Okay, what is the remaining? 2 into sin of A plus B. See, A plus B value is, what is the A plus B value? 180 minus C. Substitute A plus B value is 180 minus C. Okay, and remaining as it is cos of A minus B, and this one also as it is sin 2C. Next, so 2 sin of 180 minus theta, sin of 180 minus theta, C can be taken as theta. So for sin of 180 minus theta can be written as sin theta. Okay, next into again this one as it is cos of A minus B as it is, and plus C. Now sin 2C can be written as in terms of sin C. We have to write sin 2C formula in terms of sin C, means there is only one formula, 2 sin C into cos C. Okay, so here the two formulas, sin of 180 minus theta. Okay, sin of 180 minus theta formula, sin of 180 minus theta equals to sin theta is the formula, and one more formula is sin 2 theta formula. Right, sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Right, these two formulas are we used. Sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta, and sin 2 theta formula is 2 times sin theta cos theta. Right. Okay. Next, see from this one, from the first term and from the second term, both the terms, let 2 is the common, and also into sin C also common. That means 2 sin C is the common from the both the terms. Okay, so 2 sin C is the common, write the remaining terms. After 2 sin C common, in first term there is remaining is cos of A minus B, and plus from this 2 sin C common means remaining cos C. Right. Okay, next, so 2 sin C as it is, 2 sin C as it is into cos of A minus B also as it is, and see the next term cos C, cos C. So first term is in AB, second term is C, means that means we have to write capital C in terms of A and B. Capital C can be written as 180 minus of A plus B. Substitute capital C value 180 minus of A plus B. Right. Next, 2 sin C as it is, and the first term also as it is cos of A minus B, and this one is formula we have cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta, cos of 180 minus theta. Let A plus B is a theta, right? A plus B can be taken as theta. So cos of 180 minus theta, cos of 180 minus theta formula is minus cos theta. Okay, right, means substitute here minus cos theta. What is theta value? A plus B. What is theta value? A plus B. Right, this one completed. And now 2 sin C outside term as it is again, and next this one is we have the formula. What is the formula? Cos of A minus B, direct formula we have cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B formula is 2 sin A sin B. We have direct formula 2 sin A sin B, right, direct formula. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. The formula is 2 sin A into sin B. Clear? Okay, then now multiply with 2 into 2, 4, and write the first of all A term. What is the A term? Sin A, and into what is the B term? Sin B. Then write C term. What is the C term? Sin C. This is the required answer. Okay, 4 sin A into sin B into sin C, same total problems as it is, right? So in each and every problem there is A comma B comma C are angles in a triangle. Then we can take interior, sum of interior angles equals to 180. Total problems as it is, method process is as it is. Okay, now the fourth problem completed. Now we have to look at problem number 5. Okay, right. The next problem is, if capital A, capital B and capital C are angles in a triangle, then prove that cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C equals to 1 plus 4 sin A into sin B into sin C. Okay, right. So same as it is process, A, B, C are angles in a triangle. The given is capital A, B, C are angles in a triangle. Angles in a triangle means that is sum of interior angles equals to 180 degree. A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. Again same, A plus B can be written as 180 minus C and capital C can be written as 180 minus of A plus B. Same, A plus B equals to plus C become to the right side is minus C, means 180 minus C. Okay, right. So A plus B value completed. Next capital C value is 180, again C, same previous problem, plus A become to the right side is minus A and plus B become to the right side is minus B, means 180 minus A minus B. Let minus is common, means minus of A plus B. We can write this one is capital C. So capital C equals to 180 minus of A plus B. That means substitute in this problem capital A plus capital B value is 180 minus C degree and capital C, substitute capital C value is 180 minus of A plus B. Right. Now write the problem. What is the problem given? Cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C, and we have to prove that answer is 1 plus 4 into sin A into sin B into sin C, right? Okay, so same again formula, cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D means 2 cos C plus D by 2. C means 2A plus D means 2B by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 means 2A minus 2B by 2, and last again same last term, write the same term up to 3-4 terms. Okay, 3-4 steps, cos 2C as it is. Right, I am writing here the formula. So I am writing here the formula is 2 cos of, let again 2 is the common from the numerator and 2 is the common from the denominator. What is then common means 2 of cos of A plus B plus C, 2 cos of A. Right, the formula is here, the formula is cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D equals to, the formula is 2 cos of C plus D by 2, capital C plus D by 2 and into cos of capital C minus capital D by 2. Right, is it visible the board? No. Okay, little bit change. Right, now the formula is cos C plus cos D equals to 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Right, in that formula substitute capital C is 2A and plus 2D value is 2B by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. Okay, right. From this, from numerator 2 is the common, in this also from numerator 2 is the common, means that implies 2 cos of 2 is the common, means A plus B by 2. Okay, and from second term also from the numerator again 2 common means A minus B by 2. Okay, so remaining the last term again as it is in this step also, cos 2C. Right, from numerator 2, from denominator 2 get cancelled. Okay, next to 2 cos of C here, A plus B. What is the A plus B value? 180 minus C. We have the A plus B value 180 minus capital C. Okay, and this one cos of A minus B as it is. Right, next C cos 2C. Okay, cos 2C write again as it is. Cos 2C write again as it is. Okay, next C cos of 180 minus theta. Already we have the formula cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So 2 into this one is minus cos theta means capital C. Okay, right. And next cos of A minus B again as it is. Okay, C. Now cos 2C can be written as, now here what is the term? Cos C. In previous problem we have sin C. In previous problem we have sin C. That's why we can write sin 2C in terms of sin. Okay, here cos C means cos 2C can be written as in terms of cos C. Okay, we need cos 2C formula in terms of cos, because here cos C. So we need one more cos C term. Okay, but here cos 2C, but we need only cos C. Means cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is cos 2C formula. Again I am writing here the formulas. Cos of 180 minus theta, cos of 180 minus theta equals to minus cos C. Clear? This one completed. And this one cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos 2 cos square theta minus 1. But in the problem we have capital C. That's why we can write 2 cos square C minus 1. Okay, right. So write the minus 1 first of all. Okay, so minus 1 is minus 1. Write the minus 1 first. Minus 1. Okay, and see this one minus 2 cos C. Okay, and into cos of A minus B, and plus 2 cos square C as it is. Clear? Okay, minus 1, write the minus 1 first, then minus 2 cos C into cos of A minus B plus 2 cos square C. Okay, right. This minus 1 as it is. Okay, and from this C, from this minus common and 2 common and cos C also common. Listen carefully, minus 1 as it is, from this one and from this one let minus 2 cos C common. Minus 2 cos C common means what is the remaining? Cos of A minus B. Okay, and from this minus common means remaining 1 minus, because minus into minus plus 2 completed common, cos C common completed, but we have here cos square C. 1 cos common means remaining 1 more cos is there. Okay, right. Then again this minus 1 as it is, minus 2 cos C common as it is, and again cos of A minus B as it is. See, first one is in terms of AB, here A comma B terms. So we need here also A comma B, means capital C formula. What is the capital C formula? 180 minus of A plus B. Substitute cos of 180 minus of A plus B. 180 minus of A plus B. Clear? Okay, that implies minus 1 as it is, minus 2 cos C as it is, and remaining cos of A minus B also as it is, and minus cos of 180 minus theta. I am writing I am wrote the formula already. Cos of 180 minus theta. What is the formula? Minus cos C, means minus cos of A plus B. Minus cos of A plus B. Okay, right. That implies again minus 1 minus 2 cos C, okay, into cos of A minus B as it is, and C minus into minus plus cos of A plus B. Right, already in previous problem we wrote the same formula, minus 1 minus 2 cos C, and the formula is cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B, means formula is 2 cos A cos B. Okay, the formula is, okay, ये slide में okay, right. So there is only one term, so we will finish in this slide also. Okay, so minus 2 cos. Okay, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b formula is 2 cos a cos b. Already I wrote the formula in previous problem. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b formula is 2 cos a cos b. Okay, so that implies minus 1 minus 2 into 2 4. Okay, first of all a term is cos, b term is cos, and c term is also cos. This is the solution. Okay, right? So minus 1 minus 2 to the 4 cos a into cos b, b term, then c term. Okay, right? So okay, see here the question is cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. So आंसर रॉन्ग लिखे अपन यहाँ पे -4 आना, -4 cos a cos b cos c, राइट. सो क्वेश्चन सेम लिखे बट आंसर दूसरे प्रॉब्लम का आंसर आ गया यहाँ पे. सो द आंसर इज -1 -4 cos a cos b and cos c. क्लियर. सो क्वेश्चन एक लिखा, आंसर दूसरा प्रॉब्लम का आंसर लिखा था. ओके, सो -1 -4 cos a cos b cos c. ओके, राइट. The next problem is if a comma b comma c same again are angles in a triangle, then prove that cos a plus cos b plus cos c equals to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay, so the solution again same previous problems condition. Given is a comma b comma c are angles in a triangle, okay, that is sum of interior angles equals to 180 degrees. So capital A plus capital B plus capital C equals to 180 degree. So observe in this, we have to prove that the answer is in A by 2 terms, B by 2 terms, C by 2 terms, means angle by 2, means we need A by 2, B by 2, C by 2, means divide with 2, A plus B plus C by 2, means A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equals to right side 180 by 2 means 90 degree. Okay, A plus B plus C by 2 means A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2. Right side also 180 by 2 means we can get 90 degree. Okay, now we have the formula, we have the condition, capital A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equals to 90 degree, and same as previous problem we need the formula of A by 2 plus B by 2. What is the A by 2 plus B by 2 formula? What is the plus C by 2 is extra term, so the plus C by 2 become to the right side is minus C by 2, means A by 2 plus B by 2 can be written as 90 minus C by 2. Okay, this is one of the formula. Okay, right. Next, in previous problem we use the formula A plus B and capital C. In this A by 2 plus B by 2 and C by 2. Okay, so C by 2 means capital C, we need capital C by 2 formula, means plus A by 2 become minus A by 2 plus B by 2 become minus B by 2, means 90 minus A by 2 minus B by 2. Let minus is the common, means 90 degree minus of A by 2 plus B by 2. Clear? So these are the two formulas we have to use in the solution. We have the formula now. Value A by 2 plus B by 2 value is 90 minus C by 2, and C by 2 value is 90 minus of A by 2 plus B by 2. Now write the question LHS. What is the LHS? Cos A plus cos B plus cos C. We have to show that answer is 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into sin C by 2. Clear? Okay. Now same formula, cos C plus cos D. In this problem, what is C value? A, and what is D value? B. Cos C plus cos D means 2 cos C plus D by 2. Already last problem में use करे थे 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2 means A minus B by 2. What is the formula? cos C means what is C value? A. Cos D, what is the D value? B. So 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2, and the last term cos C as it is up to 3-4 steps. Okay, right. Here the formula is cos C plus cos D. What is the cos C plus cos D formula? 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Okay, this is the formula, right? Now see, 2 cos of, separate the denominator, A by 2 plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 can be written as A by 2 plus B by 2. Here also cos of, separate the denominator, A by 2 minus B by 2. Okay, and plus again cos C as it is. Okay, just to separate the denominator, because we have A by 2 plus B by 2. So separate the denominator means A by 2 plus B by 2, A by 2 minus B by 2. Now see, 2 cos of A by 2 plus B by 2. A by 2 plus B by 2. What is the formula? 90 minus C by 2. 90 degree minus capital C by 2. And this one is as it is, A by 2 minus B by 2. Okay. And the last term also again as it is, cos of capital C. Okay. Next. Okay. 90, cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is 2 into cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Okay, sin theta. What is theta value? C by 2. Cos of 90 minus theta. So C by 2 can be taken as theta. Okay, so cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta into cos of A by 2 minus B by 2 again as it is, A by 2 minus B by 2. Okay, and plus cos C. C. Now here cos C. Now here we have sin C by 2. So means we have to write cos C formula in terms of sin C by 2. Okay, here we have now sin C by 2. Means last term cos C can be written as in terms of sin C by 2. Means cos C का फार्मूला अपन लिखना पड़ता, cos C का फार्मूला कैसे लिखना? sin C by 2 आया जैसा लिखना. तो फार्मूला is 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, here I am writing the formula. कौन सा फार्मूला यूज करें अपन? cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta formula is cos of 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. Okay, and cos theta formula. Cos theta formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. These are the two formulas. Cos theta equals to, here ये फार्मूला एक बार देखो. Actually we have the formula cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Actual ये फार्मूला अपने को मालूम. Okay, cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here 2 theta, यहाँ पे 2 theta है. 2 theta में हाफ कितना? 1 theta. So यहाँ पे 1 theta. Suppose here 4 theta. Then in 4 theta what is half? 4 theta में हाफ कितना होता? 2 theta. यहाँ पे 2 थीटा था. यहाँ पे सपोज थीटा है, समझो थीटा में हाफ, थीटा बाई 2. सो थीटा बाई 2. क्लियर? सो cos थीटा इक्वल्स टू 1 minus 2 sin square थीटा बाई 2. क्लियर? ओके. सो राइट. सो नाउ द मेन प्रॉब्लम इज सी. राइट, ये 1 फर्स्ट लिख देंगे. राइट, so this one, right, first of all 1 plus completed, and from the remaining what is remaining? This one and this one. From this one 2 sin C by 2 is the common. 2 sin C by 2 is the common. Okay, 2 sin C by 2 common means remaining, what is remaining? Cos of A by 2 minus B by 2. Cos of A by 2 minus B by 2. Okay, this one complete. And from this 2 common, 1 sin c by 2 common, there is sin square, means 1 is common, means remaining 1 more is left. Okay, so minus 1 sin c by 2 is the remaining. Right, now 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 as it is, 2 sin c by 2 as it is, and first one in a by 2 b by 2 terms, means we have to write capital sin c by 2, capital C by 2 means sin c by 2. So capital C by 2 formula is 90 degree minus of a by 2 plus c by 2. So substitute the formula c by 2 is 90 minus of a by 2 plus b by 2. Clear? Substitute capital C value, a by 2 plus b by 2. Clear? Okay, capital C by 2 value is 90 minus of a by 2 plus b by 2. Okay, now 1 as it is plus 2 sin c by 2 also as it is, 2 sin c by 2 also as it is, and next cos a by 2, cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 also as it is, minus here c, इसको थीटा समझो, ये जो ब्रैकेट में है ना इसको थीटा लेंगे, मीन्स a by 2 plus b by 2 can be treated as theta. Okay, so 90 sin of 90 minus theta, formula is sin of 90 minus theta, sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. ऑलरेडी अपन यूज करें रिवर्स, cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta or sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Okay, right. So here we can write sin, okay, sin of 90 minus theta means cos theta, cos theta. What is theta value? A by 2 plus b by 2. Clear? Okay, the next one, so 1 plus 2 sin theta and right, 1 plus 1 as it is, 2 sin c by 2 as it is. Okay, and next into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b formula is 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b means 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Actual formula is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, ये एक्चुअल फार्मूला है, तो इसका आंसर क्या है अपने को 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b. See, if here a b then answer is a b, if here a by 2 b by 2 then answer is a by 2 b by 2. Actual formula is in a b terms, means cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So इसके जगह पे अपने को प्रॉब्लम में क्या है, a by 2 b by 2. एक्चुअल फार्मूला cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, आंसर इज 2 sin a sin b. बट प्रॉब्लम में a के जगह पे a by 2 है, b के जगह पे b by 2, मीन्स a by 2 को a समझो एंड b by 2 को b समझो. ओके, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, फार्मूला इज 2 sin a sin b. सो a रहा तो a by 2 रहा तो a by 2, b रहा तो b by 2 रहा तो b by 2. क्लियर? एंड नाउ the final answer is 1 plus 2 into 2 4, and what is a term? Sin a by 2, and what is b term? Into sin b by 2, and what is c term? Sin c by 2. This is the required answer. Okay, where is the question? Okay, 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay, so the solutions are कितने problems हुए अभी? 4, 5 and 6 problems. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so अगर आप लोगों को क्लास समझ में आ रहा, क्लास अच्छा एक्सप्लेनेशन हो रहा बोल के अगर आपको लगे तो क्लास को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, अगर चैनल में नया आया तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू.